Hello everyone. Today in this video, let me touch upon the subject called slow learners. So how as teachers we can support slow learners. So slow learners in a school environment requires a combination of patience, personalized approaches, and a supportive learning environment. Let me give some tips on how to handle the slow learners. Sometimes we call slow learners as slow bloomers. Okay, there are like children in our school setting is like they are the flowers in a garden. Some flowers are fast enough to bloom, some take their own time. But teachers sometimes we miss them. We don't look at them. We don't make them to bloom. Instead, we keep on taking classes, completing the portions, so they are left alone, and for them it will take time to catch up. So we need to address them. So how to make the slow learners develop faster? So one thing we can have is differentiated instructions. What I have seen in the class is the slow learners are grouped together. They are all sitting together. So always pair them with somebody who is almost good in reading, writing, listening skills. And also, it's not only just mixing their seating arrangement. You also have to instruct the person who is good to help and encourage this slow bloomer. In that way, peer learning we call, they are learning through their friends. So make the seating arrangement different. Don't group them together. Let them sit next to one who is already good in studies, right? And also see that how their reading instructions are there. As a class teacher, you can have word walls in the class. Keep on changing the word walls whenever English teacher takes a lesson. Give those hard words, the sight words. There should be a chart where there are sight words, and there should be a chart whatever you are teaching them, those words in that. Every time when you go inside the classroom, make the slow learners to look at the chart and read. Okay, this is one way of making them to read. For arithmetics, you can ask them tables chart. Let them repeat those tables chart. Okay, and you can also have to address them differently. So complete the entire syllabus, and when you have time, make the slow learners come sit next to you and give a individualized instructions. There should be also a differentiated test pattern for them, and you should also give more time to copying down or completing their homeworks. And last few videos we talked about measure, monitor, and control. Okay, you have to give a special importance. You have to measure where they are and how they are slowly progressing. You should have a notebook, maintain what was their level before and what is their progress. Keep on monitoring their activities, how they are coping up with improving. A small improvement day by day will give us a monumental improvement, and the whole class will be better if you continue to address a differentiated learning style for different type of learners, right? Hope this video was useful, and you can also use technology to slow learners. If they are using technology at home, you can give them like record your few words in a pick voice and send them, or you can send the tables, let them watch it, hear it, and then repeat it, and then learn the concept, right? Thank you.